Our second protein meal, low in calorie, will be a chicken wrap. We have about 5 ounces of chicken fillet breast. We have 1 tomato, 1 red onion, and we have some all-purpose seasoning, some salt. We have 1 cup of spinach, and we have some black pepper and some olive oil, and we have the wholemeal wraps. So what I've done now, I've diced up my chicken and also my onions, and as I said before, we're cooking protein low calorie meals. So as I said before, we're using two seasonings. So I'm putting some black pepper on it, a bit of salt, and some all-purpose seasoning. And this is the aim of it today, is that we get a different flavour with the all-purpose seasoning. So what we're doing now, I'm just going to spray 1 calorie the olive oil at the bottom of the pan. Then I'm going to put the chicken in, and I've already put it on a low heat for you. So I'm just going to cook out the chicken. And remember I said that chicken is good for weight loss, and it's high in high protein. As you can see, the chicken is starting to change colour, so we're going to turn the chicken over and then put some onions on it. Once it's turned over, tell you that the chicken is cooking, so the chicken doesn't take long to cook. I'm cooking this on a medium fire. I'm just going to add a bit of onions to the chicken to give it flavour. A bit more seasoning. This is all-purpose seasoning. Just let that cook through. A few more minutes. There we have it. Our chicken is cooked now. So you can tell it's cooked. And you see it's white inside. So what we're going to do is to get the wraps ready. So there you go. Your chicken is cooked. Those red onions are good for you. And there you have it. That's the chicken cooked. So what we're going to do now is just heat up the wrap for a few minutes so we can make the wrap. Okay, what we do now, we're going to make up the wrap. So first we'll put some spinach. Remember, spinach is also good for you, it's got magnesium in it. So first we'll put some spinach on it. Then we're going to put some chicken on it. And some onions with it. We'll top it up with some onions, some tomatoes should I say, sorry, and then top it up with some onions, a little bit more spinach on top of it. Bit of onions are good for you, like the tomatoes are also good for your heart and keeps away the doctors away. A bit more spinach on top of it. There you have it. One protein, low in calories wrap. That's one there. Then we're going to put the other one in. Just give this other wrap, wholemeal wrap, just to heat up a little bit. Alright, this is my second wrap, and you see I've completed the wrap now. So what I'm saying today is that I'm cooking with a different flavor. I've used the all-purpose seasoning and the idea, and the black pepper. So the seasoning we're really used to, a bit of salt. So the idea of these wraps is that you can have a protein meal, low in calorie, and it's a different flavor, and it's good for weight loss as well. And this is what I made it for, the two of them today, and they're in a wholemeal wrap. So thank you for watching today, and please to subscribe. Okay, this is what your wrap looks like when I've wrapped it up. So there you have high protein, low calorie meal. And as I said to you before, we're doing different flavors, and please keep watching. I'll be making some more high protein meal. You'll also find all the ingredients that we've used today in the description below. Thank you.